Hey! I'm sitting down with you guys today because we're going to be playing around with the PUR and Barbie collection. It is a beautiful collection. I went through it on live, so if you saw that, comment below. We're just going to do some swatches of the collection. I'm going to show you what's in the collection. Oh my gosh. I'm going to show you what's in the collection first, do some swatches of the lips and the eyeshadow palette and all that fun stuff, and then we're going to jump into a tutorial using all of these stuff in the collection. So here is the little PR box that everything comes in. And when you open it up, it's got a mirror, so cute. And you have the palette and a pair of lashes on top. And then you have two drawers, and it says at the bottom, never lose your sparkle. And in the drawers, you have whoa, my God, malfunctions here. You have 4 lipsticks. This one is just out to show you how pretty they are. And then when you open the last drawer, you have a super cute brush with the little Barbie logo on the brush. You have, oh boy. You have a peel-off mask, which you guys will see me use first in the tutorial, a highlighter, and also a gloss. So let me swatch all of these for you guys so you can see them. So here is the palette. It's called Endless Possibilities, and here are all the shades inside. So you have a top row of nude, you have a middle row of pink, and then the blue, which is called Ken, and then you have the bottom row of purple. And here are the swatches of the palette. So this is the highlighter that comes in the collection. It's called Dream Glow. And it has 3 different shades inside of it. So here are all the shades mixed together. And then here are all the shades on their own. There are 4 lipsticks in this collection. This is what the packaging looks like. And the actual packaging itself is absolutely stunning. And it is a pop lipstick. So you push the top and it pops out at the bottom. And all the lipsticks are covered in glitter, but the actual lipstick itself is not glittery. This shade is called Classic, Inspire, Timeless, and Legendary. Then there is 1 lip gloss in this collection. The gloss is called Girl Gloss, and it's a really pretty, like, peachy undertoned but clear gloss. And that's it. Time for the tutorial.
Hey guys, doing a little bit of a voiceover. I got the laundry going, I got the dishwasher going, I got the Roomba on. We're in full adult mode right now, but so don't mind the background noise. But I'm going to start off with just like cleaning my face with some pads from First Aid Beauty, and then I applied the mask from the collection, which to be honest with you guys, I thought was gonna hurt so bad. I had expectations of it hurting really bad, but I actually left it on my face for a super long time. You'll see in a second it literally started to come off, and it really didn't hurt that bad at all. It did leave my skin nice and smooth like a baby's bottom, but it didn't hurt peeling it off at all. I'm using a Lancome brow pencil to fill in my brows, and then we're going to move on to the eyeshadow for this look, just because we're using some colorful colors. I like to start off with the eyeshadow. I'm priming my eyes with the Tarte Shape Tape. I'm also going to shape my brows out with the Tarte Shape Tape. And then we're jumping right into this palette. The top of the palette is so pretty. So pretty. I'm using the hot pink in the palette. I just felt like I needed to do a hot pink makeup because that's what screamed Barbie for me. And I'm just going to place that in the inner and outer corners. And then I'm going to apply this baby pink shade to the center of the lid. And then I applied 2 more shades. Now, let me explain something. It got all muddled together and it just did not look good, and I didn't like it. So after this step right here, you guys will see I add a lime crime like glitter shadow, and I added that on top and blended it out with my finger just so that I don't know, that's kind of like the way that it ended up coming out was the exact idea that I had in mind, but the glitter from the palette, not the actual like glitter shade, but the glittery eyeshadow shade that I was using just wasn't emulating that. So I just went with the Lime Crime Shadow, and then I added a little bit of this liquid liner from Urban Decay on top, and then on the inner corners at the bottom lash line. I used a Neutrogena Kohl eyeliner to line my eyes, tight lined them. And then this is a really cool shadow from MAC. It is like from their like magnetic eyeshadow collection or something like that. It's a super cool eyeshadow. Like no matter where you move the shadow in the little pan, it never changes. It always has those lines in it, so it's super cool. I added some mascara and popped on the lashes from the collection to finish off the eyes, and then I'm applying some primers. I'm applying both illuminating primers, but the first illuminating primer is from Amazing Cosmetics and it's kind of pink, and then the Milk Makeup Blur Stick Radiant Primer is also going to help us fill in our pores. So I applied that, and then for foundation I'm using the Smith & Cult foundation. Make sure to tune into my Foundation Fridays because I did review this one for you guys, and secret, I really liked it. And then applying Tarte Shape Tape all over my face and blending that out. And then I'm going to set everything with powder. This is their Pretty Vulgar powder. And just so you know guys, as always, all of the products that I use in today's video will be in the description below with clickable links if you wanted them. And then taking this Charlotte Tilbury bronzer and bronzing up my face a bit. And Charlotte Tilbury blush to blush up my cheeks a bit. For highlighter, I'm using the highlighter from the collection. It actually ended up being a super beautiful highlighter. It can be used like super intense and super not intense, but I applied that everywhere where I wanted highlight. And then we're moving on to the lips. So I really was trying to go for the exact same kind of pink that was on my eyes, and I had some trouble kind of getting there. So I mixed two of the shades together, popped on some of that Lime Crime glitter and some of the gloss from the collection, and this is the final look.
Alright guys, here's the final look using the PUR and Barbie collection. We had a little issues with the eyeshadow if you saw, but this is the final look, and I think it came out really pink and really cute, which reminds me of literally Barbie. The collection is super pretty. The lipsticks are absolutely gorgeous. The palettes are so pretty. The palette and the little highlighter is really pretty. So I think out of everything, I would definitely recommend the highlighter. The gloss is really pretty. You can't really tell what the gloss looks like on top of the pink lip, but so pretty. And the lipstick, not only is the packaging pretty, but the lipstick is absolutely gorgeous. The color is actually not this color. Like, it's not glittery. The color is just like a matte. It looks so, like, it's just aesthetically pleasing to look at. Like, it's just nice to look at. And the lashes are really cute too. So let me know in the comments below if you pick up anything from this collection, and if you do, what did you pick up? Why? What did you love from this collection? What were you like about? What were you expecting? I definitely was expecting a lot more pink in this collection. I was expecting a lot more hot pink, like the look that I created for you guys. But so let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are. As always, subscribe to me right here in the center of the screen. Check out all my other videos on the side, and that's all I have for today. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.